Hey Sue, can I get you to do a quick like, comment, subscribe for YouTube?
Ari, I'm too busy right now.
Sue, it's so easy. I just need you to do it super quick for me.
I can't. I can't do it right now.
What? You're too busy?
I'm too busy to say like, comment, and subscribe.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Sue. Alright, I'll catch you later.
You ready? You're gonna kill it. It's gonna be great.
Alright, we're going to come to do a short water. And
You're not gonna say hello or anything, you're just gonna jump straight into it. You want to say hi to the people at home.
Alright, so the big pump keep on breaking down, and there is a big leak in the street, like the line break out completely, and we might gotta get two pump. Call Elvis already, he say yo, you try work on it, but now the hole that we dig, the tap is not in the hole, the tap is somewhere else. Well, when we first opened up the hole, there was a lot of water coming out from the hole, so we was thinking that the tap is here, but the tap is not here. So it's the next hole I gotta go break, and in the meantime I'm waiting on the pump.
Yeah, and even though the hole's, so you still think that hole's gonna fill up while you break it open?
Yeah, it's gonna fill up, but we still have to start it.
Yeah.
You know, because it's gonna take at least 1 hour to break out. So I'm gonna go start it right now.
Alright man, thank you.
Yeah man.
My thoughts and prayers to you.
Respect. Yeah, Elvis.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get like 4 yards of dirt or 5 yards of dirt.
Okay.
Because under the road, the whole road under it, undermined. And we still gotta get it pumped because this one keep on breaking down all the time. But we are already digging the next hole. So the pump is working a little bit, but we still have to get a next one because this one looking messed up. Well, the undermining is like when the pipe is leaking for like a long time, like 2-3 weeks, you know. So from the first time you see the water coming up, that's the best time for us to come and fix it, because it's gonna be a lot harder, messier, and you know it's a lot of headache. It's gonna be very stressful.
So random, but you are one of the only people I know who wears their class ring. What high school did you graduate from? Show the people.
Well, I actually bought it because I like it.
You bought a class ring?
Yeah.
I gotta see that.
Yeah.
So like a random high school, you have no clue whose school this is. It's kind of like, you know, people will like wear like a Dartmouth hoodie or like a Harvard hoodie, and they never went to Harvard. That's the same thing.
Yeah, it's just a style.
So with the connection, why is it that you guys leave a little bit of extra pipe?
That way, in the future, if there's a problem and we have to do a repair, we don't have to join the copper, but actually dig the hole and cut the copper and pull it up and fix it.
So you're pretty much making it so that way you can repair it in the future much easier than right now.
Yeah.
So how do we avoid this in the future for the homeowner?
Well, they gotta change the copper line before it starts to leak. Change the lead line before it starts to leak.
So are you keeping the valve for the inside?
Yeah. So this belongs to me like this. I'm gonna put this like this. You know?
Mm-hmm. Everything else was easy peasy. Yeah, it kind of was like as soon as you guys got dug out.
Yeah, the worst is like the water coming out. That's the biggest problem.
And how were you guys able to stop the water?
Well, we have those guys over there, you know. Those guys dig the hole and close the water, but you know.
Yeah, only way is to
little
get
by
them in.
little, yeah.